Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to answer some questions about my gardening and everything else that you need. Several people ask me, how do I do it? How do I have a family? I have a husband and 4 children. Two's an adult and 2 teenagers, 16, 13, 19, and 21. How do I have a family and a garden and everything? Well, I make time to do things. I make times to garden. I make time to do my arts and crafts. I make time to run a little business of my hair products that I do. I make time to cook, clean, and do other things that goes on in my life. So as for the gardening, I love to garden. So I'm out here basically some days on Saturdays I'm out here up to 4 to 5 hours. Tuesdays and Thursdays I'm out here either 2 to 3 hours after work. And some days I'm out here on my lunch break for half an hour or up to an hour. Just, doing my gardening. I love to garden. I would plant stuff, pick stuff that I planted, just remove the debris that's in my garden bed, like weeds or any trash that blows in here, and I just basically walk around my garden and tend to it. And I just make time. Yes, I work full time, 8 hours a day I work. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but I love to do it. Keeps me busy. Keeps me very busy, and I enjoy doing this. Like, some days I'm out here just to water my plants if it's not gonna rain. And I just like to look and see what's growing in my garden bed. Like right now, I'm seeing watermelon growing, my sunflowers growing, cucumbers growing, hot pepper, sweet pepper, peppers growing. I have tomatoes growing, I have beans growing, I have peas growing, I have corns growing, buttersquash. I have a lot growing in my garden, and I enjoy doing it. And I enjoy picking the stuff, cooking it, freezing it, or giving some away. So far, I've given away lettuce, green onions, from my garden, and some collard greens, kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. I've given some of those away already, because that's what I like to do. I like to give. And, to those who need it or enjoy my garden. So, yeah, as you can see, that's a sunflower back there. And I can't wait, to have sunflower seeds. Yes, I will be doing a lot with those. And also, I'll possibly give some away to those who need it. And I've also given away a lot of my seasoning stuff, like thyme, parsley, basil, and can't think of the rest of the names, but yeah, I love to do that. So you guys, thank you for watching and asking these questions. How do I find time? And I'm going to continue to find time to do things that I love. And yes, I do not watch much TV, but when I do, I don't know. I watch it for an hour and a half or 2 hours. If I do, I fall asleep. So, yeah, in the summertime, I don't have much time watching TV, but I do have much time to garden my stuff in my garden. You can see sunflower plants, tomatoes, peppers, more tomatoes. And I do be out here trying to fix them, making sure they're growing correctly on the trellis or standing tall. And then I do have corn growing, you guys. It's my second year growing corn. Actually, my third year growing corn in this garden bed. And then I have my watermelon. And I can't wait to try those. But thank you guys so much for watching and asking your questions. If you do have any more questions, I will make sure to give you guys another Q&A. And I do have strawberries, you guys. I love my fruits. I have strawberries, raspberries, grapes, apple tree, but there's no apple. We have pear tree, peach tree, no peach this year. Yeah, just so much variety of stuff that we have going in my garden bed. And here's another garden bed that my husband built for me. He did most of the work and I help him out. And this is my box up here that he built. My son and my husband built that like back in 2016, 2017. If you guys can see it. And oh yeah, these are the trees. These are our apple trees. This is our pear tree. Another pear tree right here. Have a plum tree, nothing. And also this is the peach tree. Not sure what's going on with it. And there's nothing on the apple tree, which is crazy. It did last year along with the peach tree, but nothing is on it this year. But it's just full of leaves. Not sure what's going on, but yeah, it's very full of leaves. And then I do have my the box that my husband built with my son, and of course I helped out again. And this is the box right here. Yeah, and it holds a lot of stuff. I have some cucumbers in there and some other stuff. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys take care. Bye.